Strengthening the Yuen method for the star, major arcana of tarot. Arcanum 17 symbolizes hope, inspiration, spiritual guidance, and renewal. It's a deeply positive card, linked to clarity, optimism, and universal connection. It represents faith in the future with light guiding after hard times. Listen to this strengthening for 7 days before the next arcanum. We'll now strengthen the midline. We fortify the central nervous system, spine, sacrum, coccyx, and tail. Let's become strong to sense and intuit a better future. Strong to have certainty and power to overcome all obstacles. We increase renewed hope. Strong to believe in a future of peace, abundance, and fulfillment. Strong to feel divine inspiration. I connect your midline with the universes with yours, yours with Earth's, and Earth's with yours. I strengthen your connection to your guides, beings of light, and ancestors. Strong to trust natural processes, the universe's flow and time's wisdom. Strong to be reborn again and again. Strong to release physical, mental, and emotional exhaustion. Will boost balance between your material and spiritual aspects. Strong for new ideas, perspectives, and creative solutions to improve your life. Strong to want and need to develop new knowledge, skills, and abilities. Strong to deepen vision, see beyond eyes, hear beyond senses, feel beyond skin. We enhance your ability to feel, perceive, and intuit. Strength to direct your perception towards beauty, abundance, and the extraordinary. Increasing your inner peace, calm, serenity, and sense of emotional stability. Strength to continuously connect with the energy of neutrality. Strength to be at ease with all options. Strength to accept everything as it is. Strength to not need to change anything. Strength to learn from everything and everyone. Strength to release fear, doubt, uncertainty, anguish, and anger. Strength to be generous, giving wisely, balanced, and intelligently. Strength to give from abundance, without fear, doubt, or self-interest. Strength to know when you can and should give, and when you can't or shouldn't. Strength to flow without forcing, manipulating, or controlling. Strength to trust the universe's wisdom, your physical intelligence, and life. We strengthen reconnection with nature to boost your energy, center, and balance. Strengthen your deep evolution process in mind, spirit, and body. Empower your spiritual rebirth. Open yourself to grow and expand your consciousness. Boost faith, confidence, and hope in your life's purpose. Follow your chosen path in higher realms, using your gifts and experience. Trust your intuition deeply. Let your emotions guide you like a compass. Move towards your highest good. Remember, after every storm comes calm. Be strong in finding opportunities, in problems, Strong so each hurdle makes you stronger, each challenge boosts confidence, and each test grants wisdom. We boost your core balance and stability with universal energies flowing both ways. Strong so your achievements and successes inspire others. Strong to become a positive role model for your community. Strong to enjoy and find pleasure in life's simple things. Strong to cherish daily moments that'll become treasured memories. Strong to boost creativity, imagination, and intuition for big ideas. Strong to enhance your verbal and nonverbal communication. Strong to experience emotional freedom. Strong to better release emotional baggage from the past. We balance your feminine and masculine energies, centering and stabilizing them. We boost your fertility, openness, and care. We enhance your receptivity to new chances, strength to pick prime times for new starts, power to find your way in dark times, strength for your light to shine in doubt. We boost your patience. I build your skill to wait, unhurried and free. We boost your ability to feel relief, strength to find peace after tense moments. We strengthen your gratitude. We raise awareness of your present blessings. Strength to give thanks from the heart always. We ensure that all we link and merge goes up, down, up, right, left, right, in, out, in, back, front, and front, back. I boost inner and outer flow, bounds, and angles of each shape we work on. 100% with endless potential all the time. I wipe out all flaws to zero for all time. Reset, adjust, and renew your body, mind, and soul. How do you feel? The same or different?